Sports Park. This is the first, well, I guess it's the second Zip Tie Drags event of the year. And it's a little damp, but there's still a lot of folks here. We're getting ready to have an autograph signing with Freiburger Finn and Dulcich. And got a whole bunch of cars here. We're going to be doing a fans versus Freiburger and Finnegan race. And there's some really cool stuff here already. We just started sort of strolling around and looking at stuff. Figured I'd show you some of the roadkill cars first. Rotson is not
all drag racers, again, different.
The engine is out of the Rotson right now.
Which is somebody who just kind of came in.
If you watched the last
or a car show participant. If you were a drag racer and you went through tech,
Engine Masters episodes that they were feeling
if you show up with that wristband to the Sunoco trailer, right where the gas pump is, you'll get a free.
No, but I am going to check it out.
1970.
Everybody knows I love an Opel. So everybody's lined up. Hi!
The Sunoco truck is located at the very end of these buildings, right next to the gas pumps. Just show them your wristband and I'll give you a free utility kit in all different colors.
Hi!
Thank you for my stickers.
You're welcome.
If you really want to get the most out of your run, get some Sunoco. They've got 3 different types of wedging.
Let's see what some of the cars folks brought. Sorry, long walk. Ask me your questions while we're walking. Don't watch this part, you'll get seasick. Good morning, Wisconsin. Mayhem is here. Yes.
But you guys, check them out.
Wayne wants to know, is it free admission? No, it is paid admission, but it is not very expensive, and you are welcome to come and buy a ticket at the door.
It's the Sunoco Racing Fuels rig.
See, that guy's happy he's here.
I'm happy to see you. Figured you were back hiding behind the autograph table.
No.
We'll be expecting the guys underneath the grandstand in a little while for the first autograph session of the day. We're also going to do a Q&A. So those of you who may have questions for the guys,
I'll go down the slide when it dries off. And I know that going down it is the best way to dry it off, but I don't want to be that sacrificial bottom. Finnegan is still trying to get a helmet. Doc is asking about Finnegan's helmet, which got crushed by the airline, which is pretty impressive when you think about what a helmet is intended to protect you from. The Opal's at home, but I hear there's an Opal here, so I'm going to go find it.
I thought of you when I seen him. There's one right down there.
I love me the Opal. Did somebody ask me if any of my cars are here? No, none of my cars are here. I flew here. Thanks for sharing the video, everybody. Sounds good. Hi! I think it's 10 or 15 bucks, something like that for admission. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong on that. Hello! That's 73 or 74 right there. These guys are pretty funny. Saw a picture of that earlier on the Facebook page. That is paint, my friends. They're not planning on removing that. It is not a Hellcat. Despite what the official hood says. Stubby Bob is here. We got our green row and some mini bikes. Muscle Truck is here. If you are one of our mini bike fans, might recognize a little drag bike that was in our mini bike story about Detroit. Pretty cool. We wish that all of you who are not here were here, but we understand that you can't all be here, so that's why I will try and do lots of this. And we've got Regine and Eric Rude helping me cover it, so we will have lots of photos, and it should all be pretty good. Hey, hey!
Hey guys!
How's it going? That's okay. You weren't alone. I think I saw more than one.
Well, I figured he did a Honda, so why not? And what's the better way to...
Yours looks better than ours. Like it might run.
Maybe.
What's your name?
My name's Justin.
And what'd you bring?
A 98 Honda Civic.
What'd you do to it?
Everything.
You empurpled it.
Pretty much just went for like straight track-inspired car. Everything on it's functioning. Plans are it's going to go on air ride and it's getting boosted soon. Figure a lot of people destroy Hondas, so why not try to keep one clean.
It is clean. It is clean and a little bit wet, but that's not your fault. Cool. Well, I'm glad you brought it.
Thank you.
I'll let you go to the end of the line. Find out who the poor guy is at the end of the line.
Isn't it? I love wagons are just the best. Oh, I didn't know you guys stick.
I actually saw a really cool Impala on Craigslist. I was going to buy it right here. Look at that, more stickers.
You should.
But I brought my truck instead.
Which truck is yours? The
I brought
Cyclone?
my 91 GMC Cyclone.
Cool, let's look at it. There's a window sticker in it?
Yes, it's a reproduction sticker. There's a company that repops them and they'll put your VIN in it. Right.
I don't know if I want to give everybody your VIN, but cool. So is that how much it was new?
That's how much it was in 1991. And this was the Ferrari Killer in 1991.
Yeah, so these things are pretty cool. You know your GMC history. Why don't you catch people up if they don't know a Cyclone? You're wearing the shirt, so I assume you know how to talk about it.
Well, it's just an S10, or at least everyone thinks it is. So it's 91 GMC Cyclone. They made 2,995 of them for 1991 only, because they barely sold.
It was a little ahead of its time, you know.
It really was.
Like, you know, Lightning and Raptor and stuff. Now it's all kinds of
Yeah.
badass trucks are the thing.
Yeah, I mean in 1991 this was doing 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Like most newer cars still don't do that. So it's a 4.3 liter V6 with the factory turbo is a TD06 17C. So it's only like the stock turbo is like a 40 trim. Mine's a 50 trim, bored out for 20G.
And were these intercooled or anything when they came?
Actually, this is the factory Garrett water to air intercooler. That is 100% stock. It's just painted pretty.
That's pretty cool. How long have you had it?
I've had it for just under 2 years. I've done so much this in 2 years. I bought it as a supposedly 12-second truck bro, and I've had to just redo everything.
Runs tens.
Runs tens.
Cool. What's your name?
Ian.
Ian. All right. Cool truck, Ian. Thanks for bringing it.
Thanks.
So these folks flew in from Tucson, bought this thing off Craigslist, and it's totally rusty. I'll have to show you underneath it a little later when it's not quite so damp under there. But he bought a welder at Home Depot and like welded all the suspension back on, and now they're here. So, you know, dedication. Now you have to go look at the Opal because you know how I feel.
That's okay. What's happening, everybody?
Oh my God, there's 2 Opals. It's the best day ever.
Oh, that's close.
This Opal kind of makes my Opal look a little lame. This Opal was cool.
We need an Opal.
Who's Opal?
Mine.
You know, I'm an Opal person.
I heard. My buddy told me.
What year's yours?
70?
Cool. It's not stock.
It's not.
Tell me about it.
Opel GT Source, but I had a ground effects on the front and rear.
Opal GT Source is the best, by the way.
Really
Shout out to
cars.
Opal GT
I agree.
Source.
Deal with everybody over there. Yeah. Good stuff. I don't know. I just put a new interior in it last week. Almost new seat covers and stuff. So it's stock engine, board, out 2.0.
So it's you put the different head on it, or
It's Rally Bob ported to street ported.
did you get the hood from Opal GT Source too?
18 years ago.
That's how long you've had the Opal? Cool.
16.
How often do people ask you what it is?
Half and half. A lot of people actually know what it is, right? Even the younger kids.
That's cool. Well, I'm glad to see it. And then I see that there's another one over here.
Really? I haven't seen that.
Look, a little stock one. Let's go look at it together.
Holy cow.
We're Opal nerds. Kieran says he doesn't like the Opal, but he is wrong.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this little guy. This is nice.
It is very clean.
It's not quite as like Batmobile as yours is, but it's got its little
It's original.
Opal blister.
It's got that bump on the hood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen one of these.
What's that?
I don't think I've ever seen one of these.
There's another one over there.
Yeah. So he owns one and I own one. So we're having Opal bonding time right
this
now.
yours?
No, I wish I could have brought mine. Mine is not nearly this nice.
Looks a lot like a Lotus E.
The only part about this car that's at all like my car is right here, this corner.
Yours is from California and rust free though.
It is pretty rust free, yeah.
Cool.
That's cool. Yay, 2
What
Opals.
year is yours?
71.
One thing I wish I had was Posy, and I do not have that for sure.
Do they make a Posy
My
for
dad
it?
had an Opel GT when I was a kid,
Uh-huh.
and it had a German factory Posy in it. And the car got crushed, and I didn't know about it. And I wish I
That is a tragic story.
It is.
Oh, you're Elena, right?
Yeah, hi.
I'm Ryan. Nice to
Hi
meet
Ryan, what'd you bring?
you. I brought this to Barth here. Figured I'd bring my FCA.
So just in case we have like a autocross, then you're gonna be all
I'm
set
not
up
gonna,
for
I'm
winning.
not going to drag it, but
You ought to, why not?
Oh, I got copies.
it's going to run like a 15. It's stock. I haven't
Yeah, well,
seen it
so,
yet.
you know, I mean, running a 15 and not braking is going to put you in the top, like, you know, 20% of the cars that a zip tie drags in.
I mean, that's true, I suppose. But
Yeah.
I got a gift for you.
Oh, the other Opal.
This is me.
These are my people right here. What year is this?
72.
Uh-huh. Did you change the bumpers on it?
Nope.
They're little.
They are. All right, so
What?
it's not fair that there are multiple roadkill models out there of all the other cars except yours. So this is a fire glow orange 1/18 scale Opel GT with a busted headlight bucket. So it's roadkill.
Oh my God! I've wanted an Opal model for so long. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm feeling a little verklempt. Ooh, there's a shadow there too. Man, this is going to be a really good day. There's a lot of really cool stuff going
There
on.
is. I'm
like
excited.
it's not good.
You don't think that's
Not
stocked?
that.
Tell me your name.
Mike Cardino.
Mike. Oh yes, we know. I've talked to you. Fine. This is rad. This is a great day. Look at all this cool stuff.
There's so much good
And it's
stuff.
still early. And we're going to have a lot of things to show you. So, you know, I'm going to go wipe away my tears of joy now that I own an Opal model. And I will be back up live with you guys a little bit later because we've got an autograph signing over there under the grandstand. So if you are here and you aren't lined up, you should go over there. And if you aren't here, you should be here because Mike has an Opal.